Nuanom ne adɔfo saa mmerɛ nso yɛhyiahyia bi me nsa ka HP na keyboard no asɛe nti ɛnɛ da yi yɛbɛhwɛ sɛ yɛbɛtumi asesa no a saa mmerɛ yɛbɛtu one screw afiri ha Summary I cover with free so. Here we in another two screws free her. Here we are near done in a be summary na you use a flat opening tool no yeah the ashaha. I lift it. No one say bepeja ni saako awa dane no ti we are our left way abasro where you flex no we are na achia na kosi na olusu clip no way it is only a replacement keyboard now. Now so by insect. Now, why insect flex now? We are now the show. Lanse opening mi ani nyina so kama ma clips ni nyina alok ti uyana test yawe yeah ti yana test yawe si via ya juma uye pena adane no now the two screws na babubu na yadi na ba yeah ti na chase nenso de debre mono no gidi se o HP 470 G4 keyboard na say ya wetimi ahwe so na wetimi dia so obo ti yabati honka bi mo ma bae